We just didn't. We did not let them down that hallway.
Nope.
In there. What? There's a guy coming down the fucking hallway.
Get across that way. Get across and shoot, guys. All right. Hey, semi only, dude. Yeah, get it.
Fucking hold it, dude. I'm telling you. The semi-auto and that gun's a pain in the ass.
Right here, door. Okay, there's a door right here. One guy here. There's one guy in the other room behind us.
Alright. You take this, we'll take down there. You ready? You ready? Come on, dude, I hit you. Oh, you're hit, dude.
I got one of them here. Where they coming from?
Alright, hey, everyone, we're gonna get this dude down here.
Where? Like,
There's a guy in that door.
Diagonal here?
Yeah. You got him? He's the one you have out?
No, I heard him say, "Oh, I'm hit."
No, he's leaning up against the wall. Oh, hit! Hit! Don't shoot, dead man! Don't shoot me, fuck!
He's on the left side.
Huh? I'm gonna have to make one.
I want to grab it, man.
Right.